Hello friends. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to grow a plant with Moho software. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to see the next videos. First, I create a new layer and change its name to soil. I create some soil with the shape tool and change its color to brown. I create some points and change the shape. I disable the stroke. I create a new layer and name it stem. I create the stem with the Add Point tool. Using the Create Shape tool, I select it and color it. I also increase the width and hit the Create Shape button. I increase the stem diameter with the Line Width tool. And I reduce the diameter of this point. I select all the points and put the slider in frame 1. I select the stroke exposure tool and set the end percentage to 0. I put the slider in frame 72 and set the end percentage to 100. I press the play button. You can see that the stem grows gradually. I create a new layer and name it leaf. With the scatter brush tool, I create a number of leaves and select one of them. It is very important to place the origin here. Using the Set Origin tool, I enlarge the leaf and place it in a suitable place. I reverse it. I make it a little brighter. I take a duplicate from the leaf layer and change its location. I take another duplicate from the leaf and place it higher. I slightly change the shape of the leaf with the Transform Point tool. I take another duplicate from this leaf and reverse its direction. I select the first leaf, and when the stem reaches this leaf, I animate its scale value. It is suitable in frame 29. I click on the scene with the transform tool to create a keyframe. I put the slider at frame 40 and click on the scene to create another keyframe. In frame 29, I set the scale value to 0. I copy keyframes 29 to frame 1 so that the scale value remains 0 from frame 1 to frame 29. I put the slider in frame 40 and press the reset button so that the leaf size returns to the previous size. In frame 38, I make the leaf a little bigger to create a better animation mode. In this way, the animation of this leaf is created. I select and copy all keyframes. In leaf layer 2, I paste the keyframes with the Ctrl button and V. I remove the keyframes of the transform section. I set the keyframes for this leaf. In fact, I repeat the same previous work for the other 3 leaves. I copy the keyframes again and paste them for leaf layer 4. I will copy the keyframes again and paste them for leaf layer 3. I adjust the keyframes. Now I press the play button to see the result of the work so far. I create a new layer and rename it to flower. I create the flower with the shape tool. Now I animate the flower layer with the transform tool. I increase the size of the flower. I will take an export from the work so that we can see the final work. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, goodbye for now.